Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can create virtual network in Azure portal. So let's move to Azure portal. As you can see, we are in Azure portal. Here in Azure services you can click on virtual networks, otherwise in search type virtual and click on virtual networks. Now here click on create. In resource group click on drop down menu and choose your resource group in which you want to create this virtual network. In name type name, then click next. By default this is picking up 10.2.0.0/16 address space. If you want to specify your own address space, you can change it. For example, I want to use 10.10.0.0/16 address space, and now here you can add different subnet. For this click on add subnet, give any name and also specify the address range for your subnet, then click on add. If you want to add one more subnet, you can also add. Click on add subnet. In subnet name give any name, and in subnet address range you can also specify, then click add. Here you can see we have added two different subnets, then click next. In security you can see all the features are by default disabled. If you want to enable, you can click on that feature and enable it, then click next. Here in tags, in name type name and in value type any meaningful name, then click next. As you can see our validation passed successfully. Now click on create. As you can see now our deployment is in progress. Here it will take couple of minutes. As you can see our deployment is completed successfully. Now click on go to resource. Here you can see the details of our virtual network. Hope you like this video. See you in next video.